नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया न्यूज़ और मैं हूं मनीषा श्रीवास आपके साथ। 7 दिसंबर 2024 को दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल कामठी रोड नागपुर ने मनाया वार्षिक उत्सव और इस वार्षिक उत्सव कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ पुलिस उपायुक्त परिमंडल क्रमांक 5 के निकेतन कदम की उपस्थिति में किया गया। साथ ही इस कार्यक्रम में विशेष अतिथि आशीष कुलकर्णी, अध्यक्ष भारतीय वाणिज्य एवं उद्योग महासंघ उपस्थित रहे। देखिए हमारे रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया न्यूज की यह खास रिपोर्ट।
Miss Tulika Ketia, President and Pro Vice Chairperson, DPS Kamptee Road and Mihan, who is a distinguished educationist whose visionary approach seamlessly combines academic rigor with creativity and character building. Her unwavering dedication to fostering innovation and holistic growth has established her as a guiding force in the field of education, inspiring excellence at every step. Though unable to be physically present here with us, her spirit of innovation and dedication resonates in every aspect of the school. Thank you, ma'am, for your support in all our endeavors. Ms. Savita Jaiswal, Director, DPS Kamptee Road and Mihan, who guides us through new challenges with unwavering dedication. Her commitment to excellence and holistic development empowers students to navigate the future with confidence and purpose. Shri Indrajit Pargania, our bursar, whose dedication to the smooth functioning of the school ensures that every aspect of our institution thrives. Ms. Nidhi Yadav, Principal, DPS Mihan, whose vision, commitment and ability to inspire creates an environment where excellence flourishes. We are grateful for the support of our distinguished guests, EPTA members, whose contributions inspire us daily. Welcome to our parents and thank you for entrusting us with your children and their education. We also appreciate the media for helping share us our achievements. To our teachers and staff, your hard work and dedication are the foundation of our success. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, the purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. At Delhi Public School, we are committed to this vision, striving to create future-ready individuals who uphold Indian values while embracing global opportunities. The school's unparalleled achievements reflect its commitment to excellence and holistic development, from being honored as the best school at the Taluka level in the prestigious Chief Minister's Majhi Shara Sundar Shara contest to earning the title of the best co-ed day school in the city since last 6 years, and achieving international recognition as the best green school by the New York Conference. The school has continually set benchmarks in education and sustainability. These accolades are a testament not only to the institution's vision, but also to the exceptional talent and hard work of our students, who have brought pride to the school by excelling in inter-school, district, state, national and international competitions. Together, the school and the students embody a culture of excellence, innovation and global leadership. Our achievements are supported by the state-of-the-art infrastructure and an extensive range of facilities designed to foster excellence in every field. Sports arena to an indoor swimming pool complex and well-equipped laboratories and explore and a discover room, our campus offers a nurturing environment that inspires students to explore and discover talents. Thank you, and let us enjoy this wonderful evening together. I now invite Ms. Savita Jaiswal, our director, to kindly read out the speech from Ms. Tulika Kedia, President and Pro Vice Chairperson, DPS County Road and Bihan.
Thank you, Yogita. Good evening, everyone. I'm elated to welcome you all to this memorable evening where we will be celebrating our students' immense talent and creativity. I feel privileged and honored to be standing here with you all to read out the message sent by our President and Pro Vice Chairperson, Ms. Tulika Kedia. She was to come to be with us here, but for some unavoidable reasons, she could not. So I'm reading her message out. Good evening. On behalf of DPS County Road, I extend a warm welcome to our dignitaries and parents. We are fortunate to have with us today our guest of honor, Shri Kadam, IPS DCP, Zone 5, Nagpur. Your intellectual caliber and professional achievements are an inspiration to us all, and in particular for our impressionable young minds. Thank you for sparing time, your valuable time, to be here with us. We also welcome our special guest, Shri Ashish Kulkarni, Chairman FICCI Animation, Visual Effects, Gaming and Comics Forum, and Chairman of MCCIA Animation and Gaming Committee. Your academic brilliance and prolific work in the area of animation and gaming speaks volumes about your professional achievements. We thank you for gracing us with your presence. I congratulate our principal, teachers, staff, and students for the tenor of today's annual function.
First of all, being an IPS officer, I know that in India, the civil services, especially UPSC civil services, there are many aspirants, many students since the school, they want to become IAS, IPS or some officer. तो इसके बारे में पहले मैं थोड़ा बोलूँगा. Most of the times what happens कि कुछ पेरेंट्स जिनके बच्चे फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में और प्री स्कूल में रहते हैं वो भी आजकल पूछते हैं कि मेरा बेटा और मेरी बेटी दे वांट टू बिकम IPS ऑफिसर और IAS ऑफिसर, तो उनके लिए कुछ गाइड करो. सो आई वुड लाइक टू से फ्यू वर्ड्स अबाउट दिस. देखिए, आपके बच्चे आगे जाके कुछ अच्छा करेंगे, लेकिन कब करेंगे? जब वो अभी जो कर रहे हैं, वॉट एवर दे आर डूइंग, मीन्स वो स्कूल में है, कॉलेज में है, अगर वो जो कर रहे हैं वो अच्छे से कर पा रहे हैं, देन दे कैन अचीव एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि अभी से इन सारी चीजों के बारे में सोचने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. अभी तो आप आपकी स्कूलिंग अच्छे से करिए, आगे जाके आपको सक्सेस मिलना ही मिलना है. लेकिन ये सब करते हुए तीन चीजें मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ. देयर आर 3 Ds. First D is about dreams. Most of us know about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Sir used to say कि dream is not that you see when you are in sleep. Dream is that thing which doesn't let you sleep. मतलब ऐसे सपने देखो कि आप वो सपना आपको जब तक पूरा नहीं हो जाता है, आपको अच्छे से नींद ही नहीं आनी चाहिए. ये तो पहला डी हो गया. उसके बाद सपने तो देख लिए, लेकिन उनको अचीव कैसे करना है. सो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू बी डेडिकेटेड पर्सन. तो आपका डेडिकेशन उसमें होना चाहिए कि सिर्फ अपने सपने देख रहे हो, आप देख लिया सपना लेकिन उसको अचीव कैसे करेंगे, तो यू नीड टू बी डेडिकेटेड पर्सन। लेकिन डेडिकेटेड होना कैसे है, उसके लिए तीसरा डी रहता है, यू शुड बी डिसिप्लिन्ड पर्सन। आजकल हमेशा एक चीज देखने को मिलती है कि हम वी आर एक्सपोज टू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, बट द एलिमेंट ऑफ डिसिप्लिन इज मिसिंग समवेयर। हम एक चीज करने, वी स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग, वी लीव इट इन बिटवीन, वी स्टार्ट डूइंग अनदर थिंग। सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आपको डिसिप्लिन्ड वे में करना है।
That the first sight that I have seen after coming here and a warm welcome that I had was so many instruments, and I believe that the students are going to perform, and that actually brings me to a very important message that was missing when we were in the schools. And I want to tell you that the media and entertainment industry is a soft power, and it's growing leaps and bounds across the globe. We are in the business of storytelling, and not many people understand that. They feel that they are in the films, or they are in animation, visual effects, gaming, comics, or whatever, or in the OTT. That's all the mediums, but we actually are in the business of storytelling. And to me, everybody and anybody is leading their life, is telling a story, whether there's a shopkeeper, a cobbler, or a school teacher, or a principal, or a commissioner of police. And what a wonderful way that the whole narration that he did, and made sure that you understand the nuances of living your life with safety and security, and to become a responsible citizen. And I wish that some of these things are available to most of the citizens across. And how is that going to happen?